Corporate and Business Law exam of ACCA is one of its kind in ACCA qualification. It is the only course in our qualification which includes detail about legal framework and systems. See, it is very important for a chartered accountant to have knowledge about the legal frameworks, because while you are making financial statements, you are doing audit, the legal concepts and the application is always relevant for you. Hello everyone. I'm Owais Mirchawala, Director and Faculty at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. I have a teaching experience of more than 15 years and I've been teaching this exam for a long time. I've invested hundreds of hours in developing the best possible course for this examination. It is a smart and a comprehensive course which includes coverage of all the concepts along with practical examples. See, when we talk about a course of corporate and business law, it's a theoretical exam. And the first thing which comes in our mind, that it will be a boring exam. But when we study with practical examples, practical relevance, it's the most interesting course as compared to other subjects. So my course includes coverage of all topics, all concepts, along with practical examples, coverage of the study text, the entire content provided by ACCA, all the exam kits, chapter-wise test, mock exams, and most important, personalized query support from my side. So if you want to pass this exam in first attempt and get good marks, join my corporate and business law course, because it's a routine for my students to score 90 plus marks. You can walk through my page and you can see that many of my students gain 95, 96 marks. It's just a routine. So if you want to be a top scorer, join my course, watch my demo lectures. You can enroll on our website also. And if you have any query, you can directly contact me also. Thank you everyone.